Have you ever needed access control when machines, equipment, structures, distance, or other obstacle make it difficult or close to impossible to run wire? Cody with Harris Company uses SureFi's Wiegand wireless bridge to add access control to this door at Autoleave.
I'm Cody Gatmeyer. I work for Harris Company. We're at Autoleave in Brigham City, and we're just installing a door of access, a strike and a reader. And we couldn't really get any wires to it because there's a whole bunch of machines up in the way of getting up to the ceiling. So we decided to use a SureFi for the door. I've always had it work really well. The only time I ever doubted it, I actually ended up just hooking it up and it pretty much worked straight away. So
tell us about that facility.
So that was at a big motor pool building. It's about a quarter mile long, all concrete. And where the controller interface was on this side, and obviously the remote was on the other side. But it worked. Just from my own personal experience, every time I've used it, it's worked really well. So
SureFi's door kits provide connection to any local power, including exit signs, with power sources of 85 to 305 volts AC. The 12-volt 5-amp power supply will provide power for your 12-volt DC door strikes, mag locks, or other 12-volt door hardware or accessories. The included Wiegand wireless bridge charges the backup battery, and there is a convenient wiring block for a quick connection of card readers and keypads and relays. What does Cody think about the door kit from SureFi?
I liked it. It's nice because it's already pretty much wired up for you. You just have to match up your colors, and everything's pretty much just set in place already. Super easy.
About how much time did it take you to wire up?
Maybe 5-10 minutes.
How much time do you think it saved you?
Yeah, probably at least cut my time in half, I would bet.
When obstacles make it difficult or impossible to run wire, use SureFi for your access control needs, and do it faster with SureFi's commercial door kit options.